What happens when you shop for clothes in English? Watch till the end. You might use these sentences today.
Hello! Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a dress.
Sure. Are you looking for something casual or formal?
I'm looking for a casual dress.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear a medium.
We have some new arrivals over here. Would you like to see them?
Yes, please.
How about this blue dress?
It looks nice. Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we also have it in black and pink.
I'd like to try the black one.
Of course, the fitting room is right over there.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It fits well, but it's a little long.
We can alter the length if you'd like.
That's great. How much is it?
It's $45.
I'll take it.
Perfect! Please come to the counter.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I'll prepare the bill for you.
Okay.
The total amount is $45. Would you like a bill receipt?
Yes, please.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
By card, please.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. By the way, what's your return policy?
You can return or exchange the item within 14 days with the receipt.
That's good to know.
We also have a special discount on accessories today.
Really? Can I take a look?
Of course, the accessories section is right over there.
I like this handbag. How much is it?
It's $25, but today it's 20% off.
That's a good deal. I'll take it too.
Excellent choice. I'll add it to your bill. Here are your items and receipts.
Thank you for your help today.
You're very welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Enjoyed this video? Give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful English tips.